How to log out Instagram account from all devices without changing password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can log out of your Instagram account from all devices without having to change your password. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you think that someone is logged into your Instagram account and you want to change the password and remove them, but it's just too much of a hassle and you want to just find it and remove them manually. To do that, you can just go ahead and then open up the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram app, come to your profile page, tap on the three lines from the top right hand side of the screen, go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find the option that's a security, so just go ahead and tap on security. And as you tap on security, if you wanted to remove and log out all of the people from Instagram account, changing the password was the best way. But if you're not happy with that, you can go to login activity. Once you go to login activity, it will show you where you're currently logged in. For example, you'll be able to see a list of all the devices along with the places that are currently logged into your Instagram account. If you want to remove either of these, you just have to tap on the three dots right next to it. Once you tap on the three dots, you'll find the option called logout. Once you tap on logout, you'll basically remove all of the devices from the session on which you don't actually remember, and you can also go ahead and try to change the password, but you can do this without having to change your password as well. But keep in mind that you have to review all these devices manually and see the places from where they're logged in as to how you can remove them. That's all it takes to log out Instagram account from all the devices without having to change your password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.